Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Google Keep Chrome extension on your Chrome web browser. So if you need a Google Keep as an extension, so it's feel free to download on chromewebstore.google.com and try to find Google Keep. You can search extension and themes, search for Google Keep. So here you can save to Google Keep with a single click, find web page, image or quote that you want to save for later. With Google Keep Chrome extension, easily save the thing that you care. So there is some features here. Some features are save page links, text and images, take notes on saved content, add labels to your notes, automatically saves to Google Keep. So you can add from here, you can install from here, and after the installation, here we go. So there are some websites that you cannot use Google Keep. For example, the Chrome Web Store itself. There is no access needed. This extension don't need to see and change information on this site. And for example, from the imd.com, this is the error 195. Maybe you want to take notes from here. Here we go. Google Keep Chrome extension is on. You get full access. This extension can see and change information on this site. You can click it. Now you can take a note from here, and the page link will automatically save on these notes. And create note, and it's saved. Your note was saved successfully, and you can view on Keep. So here it's saved. Now feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.